Hi everybody, welcome back to another plan with me. This is Jody here with Plan All the Things. Today I'm going to be planning in my classic size happy planner for January 4th through the 10th. So I'm going to go ahead and get started by laying down my washi tape. I have a really pretty mint colored striped washi tape. It's kind of a mint and cream stripe. And then I'm going to do something fun, and I'm going to overlay some pink washi on top of that. I just thought it would look really cute. Pink was a little bit transparent, so it added a little bit of a decorative touch. We are in the first full week of the new year now, and holidays are solidly behind us. We've been just, cleaning up still from Christmas, getting all the decorations put away. So this week is going to be kind of chill, not too many meetings or appointments. Here I'm going to go ahead and peel up a little bit of this transparent quote sticker and pull up the washi that was underneath. Sometimes I don't, really remember how things layer. So I want to pull that up so it's not behind and then trim it off. I'm going to take the extra piece that I cut off and use it to underline January. I'm going to go ahead and lay down my big box sticker in the lower right. It's a quote. It says, "If you push through that feeling of being scared, that feeling of taking risk, really amazing things can happen." And that's true. Here I'm just laying down some decorative box stickers. Nice pretty pastel colored coordinating colors. Here I'm adding my weekend sticker. Always gotta have a weekend sticker, right? This is going to be a bulleted checklist for Wednesday's task area. On Tuesday, I'm going to layer a full box checklist over one of the decorative stickers. I really like layering stickers. I'm not afraid to cover up stickers if I want to. These are these really fun Post-it note full box stickers I've talked about before. They have different quotes on them. That one says, "You have nothing to prove to anyone." Now I've got some of these pastel task boxes, which I'm trying to use up, but the green minty color matches perfectly. Now to bring in some more of the yellow that I've had on the left side, I'm adding these box stickers, yellow box stickers, for the weekend task area. I'm going to go ahead and add some dot stickers for Friday. Half box for Thursday. Maybe we'll put what we're having for dinner or something down there. Adding this transparent quote sticker in the middle there. And adding just some more decorative elements. Trying to tie all the colors together while still being somewhat functional. Put a bulleted checklist for my kind of weekly overview tasks on the left. And now I'm adding in some more headers and just decorative flag elements. Here I'm going to cut this circle sticker. All I wanted was the top part that says today, using that as kind of a header. And I think that's going to do it for this layout. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you liked it, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want to be notified of more content I post, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'm loving seeing how this community is growing. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. See you in my next video. Bye for now.